space to learn Python the simple and smart way. In this video, you will learn about type conversion in Python, how to check and change variable type. In the Python, every variable has a type like integer, float, or string. This conversion means changing one type into another, such as a tuning a string to number, number to string. You can check the type of any variable using the type function. Let's show the example where x is equal to 10. Print now. This shows class string str means x is a string. Let's convert the string into a integer using int. We can same as again variable x is equal to int x and print x, and let's check here type also. Now you can see x is 10 class integer. Similar, you can use float str for changing types. Now use a is equal to 12 and print float a. Now you can see that before a is equal to 12, it's integer, but we can change a directly and print here, and we can also convert inside the expression also. So suppose a is equal to 100 now, and b is equal to 25. Now I write expression print int in it for integer a plus b. 125. This prints 125 because we convert a to an integer before addition. That's how you perform type of conversion in Python. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to AddKee, and keep learning the Python step by step from AddKee.com.